Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lush kitchen subscription for the month of February. Indulge in many moments of self-care is what the card says on top. Let's dig in. The first thing I'm pulling out is a kitchen exclusive shower gel called Sex Bomb. That's jasmine, ylang ylang, and clary sage. And what is that? Is that glitter at the bottom? It doesn't really look like glitter. It says there's jasmine flower, so I'm thinking it's like ground up like flower petals. I did open and smell it. It's not too fragrant, so it smells pretty good. So that's one item. Also have a bath bomb that's all pink. This one is called Absolute Delight. They do include like a little packing list so you know the names of stuff and how to use it if it's a product you've never used. So next up we have Love. This is a body lotion. It says it has a sweet toffee apple and soft floral heart. That sounds interesting. I'm gonna take a whiff. Hopefully it's more sweet toffee than floral because I don't like floral that much. Yeah, that's not too bad. It's kind of faint. It's not very strong, so I could deal with that. What else we got? This is cute. This is called Sex in the Shower, and it's a shower bomb. So you just place it at the bottom so that the running water hits it, and then it makes aroma when you're in the bathtub, or in the shower rather. So that's cool. And what is that? Stained stuff. Oh, soap. So there is a bar of soap. Looks like a brownie kind of. It's called Ooh La La. Let me take a whiff. Yeah, that smells pretty good. I can definitely smell lavender in here, but it looks like it also has like marigold infusion, honeysuckle, but mainly smells like lavender. So that's nice. And I think that's it. There wasn't any exclusive. I feel like every month we've got like a pin, a notebook, a bag, you know, some kind of exclusive. But I'm not seeing one this month. But if you guys are interested, I'll put a link below on how you can sign up for this. It's super fun. And I have a playlist going if you want to see past months. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.